Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your font type in your Linktree profile. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Linktree app. Then go to the appearance on the bottom second icon and scroll down to the fonts, and here you can see some font types. If you scroll to the left, by tapping on the font and scrolling to the left, you can see more. Here you have to upgrade for these fonts, but for example I am choosing this Courgette. Tap on the bottom preview and here you can see I changed my font to other font type. You can change the font color by moving this little circle on this color palette. Then tap on confirm, and by going to the preview you can see here my font types. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.